Case study. Subject mobile computing. Problem statement. Using the best delay class in GPRS and a data rate of 115.2 kilobits per second. The data rate is given as 115.2 kilobits per second. How many bytes are in transmit before a first acknowledgement from the receiver could reach the sender? We must neglect further delays in the fixed network and receiver system. Now, think of typical web transfer with 10 kilobytes average transmission size. How would a standard TCP behave on top of GPRS? Think of congestion avoidance and its relation to the round trip time. What changes are needed? Solution. When transferring with a data rate that is 115.2 kilobits per second and having a one-way delay of 0.5 seconds, and this could be the best average delay. An acknowledgement on TCP layer for send data from the receiver comes back to the sender after 2 into 0.5 seconds, that is an average delay, that is after 1 second. During this time 115.2 kilobits of data are sent out by the sender, that is 14.4 kilobyte. This is more than the typical web data transfer. That is, TCP receives no acknowledgement during data transmission, but in the internet, TCP uses the acknowledgement to adapt its transmission characteristics to the network situation. TCP was made for streaming larger amount of data, that is file transfers, etc. TCP allows for fair sharing of bandwidth as soon as it is in stable state. This requires the reception of acknowledgements, the adaptation of sending windows and thresholds. However, if the whole transfer is 10 kilobytes only, either TCP never gets an acknowledgement back during the transmission to adapt sender characteristics. Only if the initial sending window is large enough, or TCP wastes bandwidth by using a too small starting sending window, that is a standard case. Real measurements with the GPRS exhibit high latencies. Example are round trip times for different packet sizes. Class 8 mobile 0.8 seconds for 64 bytes, 2.2 seconds for 1024 bytes, and 2.9 seconds for 2048 bytes, and 1.4 seconds for 128 bytes. Thus, in such scenario, TCP either gets no acknowledgement or starts with a small transmission window and by this wastes bandwidth. Under these conditions, TCP performs poorly. Chapter 9 lists several proposed changes to TCP. Example, large initial sending window,